The Potoo bird is a master of camouflage, perfectly mimicking tree branches or stumps to avoid predators. Nocturnal in nature, it hunts insects at night and remains motionless during the day, blending seamlessly into its surroundings. Its wide mouth is highly effective for catching flying insects. Special slits in its eyelids allow it to sense movement even when appearing asleep. With large, yellow eyes, it sees well in the dark but also looks hauntingly eerie. Known as ghost birds for their mournful calls and spectral appearance, they lay just one egg on a tree branch, relying on camouflage for protection. Found in Central and South America, the 7 species of Potoo rarely move for hours, enhancing their stealth.